End of Europe test. Number 1. The United States Congress is made up of a bicameral legislature. What is the name of the two lawmaking bodies? A. The House of Lords and House of Commons. B. The Senate and the House of Commons. C. The House of Lords and the Senate. D. The Senate and the House of Representatives. Question 2. The system of checks and balances was included in the Constitution to A. Allow voters a voice in the legislative process. B. Provide a method to change the document. C. Ensure that one branch of government would not gain too much power. Or D. Allow for trial by jury in all civil and criminal cases. Question 3. Which country voted in 2016 to pull out of the European Union? Is it A. Portugal, B. Spain, C. France, or D. United Kingdom? Question 4. Which epidemic killed 25 million people in Europe in the 14th century? Is it A. The French Plague, B. Famine, C. Black Death, or D. Pneumonia? Question 5. Which economy is dictated by supply and demand and buyers and sellers? Is it A. Traditional, B. Market, C. Command, or D. Mixed market? Question 5. Almanacs, encyclopedias, history books, textbooks are considered what type of sources? Is it A. Primary, B. Monetary, C. Unitary, or D. Secondary? Question 7. The European Union is made up of how many countries today? A. 39, B. 28, C. 22, or D. 15? Question 8. The President of the United States is in which branch of government? Is it A. Legislative branch, B. Selective branch, C. Executive branch, or D. Judicial branch? Question 9. The division of the three branches of government is known as A. Checks and balances, B. Parliament, C. Reserve powers, or D. Separation of powers? Question 10. What is the name of the European organization that has countries working together to promote economic growth? Is it A. NATO, B. United Nations, C. European Union, or D. World Organization? Question 11. Most of the countries in the world have a blank economy. Is it A, command, B, market, C, traditional, or D, mixed? Question 12. Which economic system is controlled by the government? A, mixed, B, market, C, traditional, or D, command? Question 13. Which source provides direct first-hand information about an event, person, or work of art? Is it A, tertiary, B, primary, C, unitary, or D, secondary? Question 14. What do the economic systems of the United Kingdom, Germany, and Russia have in common? A, all are examples of pure economy. B, all are examples of a traditional economy. C, all are examples of a command economy. Or D, all are examples of a mixed economy. Question 15. Who was Galileo? Is it A, an English philosopher who came up with the scientific method? B, a Catholic astronomer who believed that the sun was at the center of the universe? C, an Italian scholar who invented the telescope? Or D, a Swedish professor who taught the quantum theory? Question 16. Nicholas Copernicus was A, an English philosopher who came up with the scientific method. B, a Catholic astronomer who believed that the sun was at the center of the universe. C, an Italian scholar who invented the telescope. Or D, a Swedish professor who taught the quantum theory? (17) Who was Francis Bacon? A, an English philosopher who came up with the scientific method. B, a Catholic astronomer who believed that the sun was the center of the universe. C, an Italian scholar who invented the telescope. Or D, a Swedish professor who taught the quantum theory? Question 18. Which type of government does the United Kingdom have? Is it A, federal republic, B, presidential democracy, C, confederation, D, parliamentary democracy? Question 19. The European Union has made trade easier in Europe by using a common currency money called the A, dollar, B, euro, C, franc, or D, peso? Question 20. In Russia, the president is both the chief executive and the head of state. What type of democracy is this? Is it A, constitutional monarchy, B, parliamentary democracy, C, representative democracy, or D, presidential democracy? Question 21. What U.S. president asked Soviet Union leader Mikhail Gorbachev to tear down the Berlin Wall? Is it A. Jimmy Carter, B. Bill Clinton, C. John F. Kennedy, or D. Ronald Reagan? Question 22. What type of government was it that people were trying to escape from during the time of the Berlin Wall? Is it A. Monarchy, B. Communist, C. Democratic, or D. Fascist? Please double check your answers. Make sure your name is on your test. Make sure that every circle that you've bubbled in has been filled in correctly and that you have not bubbled in two answers. If you have bubbled in two answers, please remove one. If you have erased one, make sure it's erased properly. Good luck. Take your time. Remember, this counts as 50% of your grade.